Hey guys, Cindy A. Lewis. I'm bringing you the cutest Mother's Day DIY using materials I had from home, which are Dollar Tree frames. So I consider this a Dollar Tree DIY. Some scrapbook paper and a cool app where I printed some pictures, and I'm going to show you how I did it. These are some of the pictures that I printed from, that's my dad, that's my son and I. That's some puppies. So anyway, I'm going to show you how I did it, and what inspired me is this HGTV magazine that came in, and it is got a pop of color. So it's a real simple look, but yet so beautiful and great for spring. So we're going to make an inspired set of 3 that would be great for a Mother's Day gift. So here's how to do the Colorscape app to print your picture. Guys, I'm going to show you how to use this cool app to make our pictures. So it's called Colorscape, and it's really cool, and it's free, at least on the Apple App Store. So it's called Colorscape, and this is how we'll make the sketch drawing or colored drawing of our picture. So you click on Colorscape once you download it, and then you add the picture that you want to get started. So you're going to click Add, and I'm going to choose from my photo album. And I have a lot of pictures, so I'm just going to pick a selfie, one of these, and I'll just pick one of, you can see I have a bunch of selfie pictures. I'll pick one of me and my husband, so I'll just pick that one. And then you can see it automatically makes it into a coloring page. Now what you can do is you can actually color it. You can color it by clicking this color button, or you can edit it, and you can also save it to your computer, which is what I want to show you, or print it. So you go save. Well, actually you'll save it to your phone and then to your computer. Now if you want to print it, you click print, this button down here at the bottom, print. So I'm going to click print, and then I'm going to choose my printer, and if I want to print it in a smaller version, I have some photo size paper, and I'm getting notifications on my phone, which is totally not cool. And I'm going to print it on photo paper, and it is not double-sided. It is color. I always choose color anyway, even if it's black and white. And then I say print, and it's going to go in there and print for me, and I'll show you some pictures of that. But if you want to save it, down here at the bottom are these little three dots. You click on that and click save image, and it will save to your phone. And then you can download it or save it onto a hard drive, or you can send it wherever you want. You can also text it or email it. So anyway, that's how we're going to use this app, and then we're going to put our cool pictures together. Okay, so here's the picture that I printed from Colorscape. This is me and my husband. It looked like a coloring page, right? So then I printed it on photo paper and made it 4 by 6, which will fit in my frame from the Dollar Tree. So I'm going to show you how I do that. And remember, we're being inspired with this pop of color on this cover of the magazine. So first, you need to go ahead and print your pictures, whatever pictures you want. And you don't have to do them like this, but I just love this coloring page look. It's like a sketch. So this is my son when he was still in the hospital. He was born 2 weeks early. He was only 3 pounds and 15 ounces. And then this is my son when he's like, I don't know, 18. And then here's me and my son not that long ago. So I'm going to use these pictures, and I'm going to put them in these black frames. Now these are frames from the Dollar Tree, and you can see that they have this clip, and it is actually put on really well. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take these out and save them, and I can use them in another DIY. And I cut out some cardboard to be my backing to fit in here. So I just used this as my pattern, and I cut one out for each frame. Okay, so I'm going to set that aside and show you the backing. Now I have this really pretty colorful paper that I picked up from Tuesday morning sometime back. It's called Sunset Breeze, and it has the most beautiful papers in it, very colorful and pretty. So I've picked 3 that I want to be my backing, like this yellow, this purple, and this real pretty green. And I'm going to cut them to fit to cover my page here, my backing here. Okay, so I've taken the backs out of all 3 of these black frames. I really like these black frames. They're really nice. So taking those, now I have all my papers cut to fit my cardboard. You could even use cereal or cracker boxes. I mean, no one needs to know, right? And so I'm just going to take my tape runner, and I'm just gonna put my scrapbook paper on there, and you want to adhere it pretty good. There we go. And this one is going to be green. And if it's not perfect, you can always trim it, right? That's pretty. Okay, so I'm going to do these other 2. Okay, once you have all of your backings done, I think these are beautiful and bright, then you just need to decide which picture you want on which one. Just like that, like this. You want to try to center it as much as possible, because we are going for the HGTV look, which is this. So they're centered. All right. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to measure just to make sure that I get it. And then I'm just going to apply some adhesive to put down on each of these pictures. Okay, once you have all your pictures adhered, you just put them in the frames. And it just is really, really pretty. Now you could decorate the frame more if you wanted to. You could put something on there like love. I think that looks really awesome, right? I might do that. It's a little bit different than the HGTV one. So I'm just going to take this one, put it in the frame, and I'll show you all 3. And let me get it in here. This was my little baby boy. And now he's just all grown up. And if you need to trim your paper, go ahead and do that. Okay, so here's all 3. You could take your whatever accent piece you want to be. You could do it in the middle, or you could do it on the end. I kind of like it on the end, but in the middle is good too. So I'm just going to take a little hot glue and glue it on there, and then I'll display these for you. Okay, so I changed it a little bit from the HGTV display, but hey, I love it. Now you can hang these, or you can display them on top of a bookcase or a display piece, but I just love how it came out. And honestly, so simple, really inexpensive. Basically, I had everything, and the frames would be $3, and whatever scrapbook paper you have, and just print your own pages. I hope you love the tutorial on the Colorscape app. Is just so easy to do, and I just am in love with this. So anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video. Please comment. I'd love for you to subscribe to my channel. I appreciate everyone that watches, and you have a great evening.